In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to allocate a credit note in Xero step by step. If you've issued a credit to a customer and now need to apply it to an outstanding invoice, this is the correct way to do it so your accounts stay accurate and your customer balances are up to date. Allocating credit notes properly ensures your reports, receivables, and bank reconciliation all reflect the right figures. I'll walk you through the entire process, from finding the credit note to applying it to the correct invoice. And if this video helps you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the main dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Business. From the drop-down options, select Invoices. This will take you to your Invoices overview page, where you can see drafts, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, and paid invoices. Next, click on the Awaiting Payment tab. This section shows all invoices and credit notes that still have outstanding balances. Now you need to locate the credit note you want to allocate. Credit notes are easy to identify because they show a negative balance and have a small CR icon next to them. Scroll through the list or use the search bar if needed to quickly find the correct customer. Once you've found the correct credit note, click on it to open it. You'll now see the full details of that credit note, including the customer name, date, reference, and the remaining credit amount available to allocate. In the top right corner of the credit note screen, click the white Credit Note Options button. A drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select Allocate Credit. This is the key step that allows you to apply the available credit to one or more outstanding invoices for that same customer. After clicking Allocate Credit, Xero will display a list of all outstanding invoices for that specific customer. You'll see invoice numbers, due dates, original amounts, and balances due. Now decide which invoice you want to apply the credit to. In the Amount to Allocate box next to the appropriate invoice, type the amount of the credit note you want to use. You can allocate the full credit amount to one invoice or split it across multiple invoices if necessary. Just make sure the total allocated does not exceed the available credit balance shown at the top of the page. Once you've entered the correct amount, click the blue Allocate Credit button at the bottom of the screen. Xero will immediately apply the credit to the selected invoice. You'll see the invoice balance reduce accordingly, and if the invoice is fully covered, its status will update to paid. If only part of the credit was used, the remaining balance will still show as due. After allocation, you can click back into the invoice to confirm that the credit has been applied. You'll see the credit note listed in the payment history section of that invoice, ensuring full transparency in your records. And that's it. You've successfully allocated a credit note in Xero. It's a quick process once you know where to look, and doing it correctly keeps your accounts clean and professional. If this video helped you understand how to allocate a credit note in Xero, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Xero guides in 2026 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.